Your rib cage is running the show. In today's class, we're going to expand on what we did yesterday with our breathing. A lot of times, our rib cage and our mid back is a really tight area, whether we're stressed, we're bending forward, carrying a lot of heavy things, sitting for long periods of time. And what happens when there's tension in this rib cage is that it can't expand out in all directions so that our diaphragm is able to descend down. So that creates a lot more pressure and tension down on the pelvic floor. So today's class really focused on the breath that we did yesterday, expanding the rib cage out, not big forceful breaths, but just gentle breaths, and continue to see what you're feeling. If you happen to have a Pilates ball or a yoga block, a towel, go ahead and grab that and let's get started. We're going to get started in a comfortable seated position, focusing on that breath. So place the hands at the bottom of your rib cage and just think of expanding your breath all different directions and not forcing it, just nice and gentle. We're starting off seeing where we're at. If you want to be propped up on the edge of a pillow or blanket or sitting on a block, you can go ahead and do that. And think of lifting up out of your waist, lifting through the crown of your head, but not rigid, just this gentle lengthening. And see where the breath is when we first get started. And then we're going to compare this at the end of class. Let's take a nice, big, gentle breath in. Sweep those arms all the way up overhead. You're going to exhale, open, come into a cactus arm, squeezing those shoulder blades together. And we're going to gently twist over towards the right hand side. And just notice how far you go to the right. Think of pulling the right side of your rib cage back. Nice, gentle breath in. And then inhale, sweep those arms, lift up. Exhale, open up cactus arms, twist over towards the left hand side. Same thing, notice that rib cage, what you're feeling, where's the tension? Back to center one more time each side. Open up cactus arms, squeeze the shoulder blades, think of broadening through those collarbones. Twist over towards the right hand side. What do you feel? What do you notice? Bring it back to center. Inhale, lift up. Open, come into cactus. Twist to the left hand side. Left rib cage pulling back, shoulder blade towards your spine. Inhale, sweep those arms, lift up overhead. Open up, bring the hands behind the back of your head, or maybe staying in that cactus arms position. Nice, gentle breath in, gentle breath out. So with those hands behind the back of your head, you're going to twist over towards the right hand side and then come back to center over to the left. So just gently rotating from side to side. Think of pulling that rib cage back, shoulder blade to spine. What do you feel? What do you notice? Lengthening through the crown of your head. You can try inhaling back to center, exhale, twisting off to the side. Inhale to center, exhale, twisting. Nice gentle breaths in, gentle breaths out. Twisting left, twisting right. Nice job for 3, 2, last 1. Bring yourself back through towards center. And let's come to a kneeling position. We'll sink those hips back, walk your hands back towards your knees. And you're going to think of inhale, pulling your chest forward, broaden through those collarbones. And then we're going to exhale, round out. So cat and cow in this modified child pose. Pull yourself, come forward, inhale, lift up. Exhale, round everything out. Press into those palms, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, pull yourself, come forward and broaden through the collarbones. Press, round out. One more time. Inhale, pull yourself forward, lift the tailbone, open up. Exhale, tuck everything underneath. Bring it back through towards neutral. Press into your right hand. Take that left arm, spin your left arm open towards the sky. Think of pulling left side of the rib cage back. And then we'll sweep the left arm underneath the right. Peel your chest open towards the sky. Left arm underneath your right. Peel that chest, lift up and open. Underneath. Good. One more time. Left arm lifts up. And then slowly reaching underneath. We're going to hold for a breath. Reach through those left fingertips. Breathe into that rib cage, breathing into your low back. And then bring your left hand down towards the ground. Then go pressing into the left arm. Take your right arm, spin your right arm open towards the sky. And then come underneath. Inhale, peel your chest, lift open. Reach underneath. Good. Inhale, lift up and open. How does this side feel different from your other? Using that breath, keep pushing into the left hand. Good. We'll do one more time, reaching up. And then that left arm comes underneath. Reach through those fingertips. We're going to hold. Nice breath in, expanding into that rib cage. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, come back to center. And then we're going to come down onto your right hand side. We're going to pull our right knee in towards your chest. You're going to bring both of the hands over towards the right hand side. And take that left leg and maybe you extend it back. Maybe that's not comfortable, so you can keep it bent. So the right thigh is in line with that left. You can come down onto your forearms and we're going to breathe and expand into that rib cage. If you want a little bit more with the rotation, walk the hands over towards the right hand side. Nice breath in. We're expanding into the rib cage. And then exhale, see if you can twist a little more. We're active here. We're pressing into the forearms. If that left leg is back, we're breathing into it. Nice, gentle breath in. Exhale, feel the twist a little more. Nice, gentle breath in. Exhale, twist. If you want, those left fingertips can come out in front. Maybe you reach through the left fingertips, reach through the left leg back behind. Nice breath in. Exhale, twist. Nice job. 2 more breaths in here. And slowly walk that left hand back underneath. Press yourself, come up, push into that right hand. Take your left arm, lift your left arm all the way up overhead. And we're thinking of lifting the left side of the rib cage towards the sky. Press both sit bones down. And then inhale, reach that arm back up. And we're thinking of sinking the right side of the rib cage down. You can also come down onto your forearm, lift the rib cage up, breathe into it, and just let your gaze go where it feels comfortable. Left arm goes back. We're dropping the rib cage down. Inhale, lift up, reach through those fingertips. Left arm reaches behind. 2 more times. Lift that rib cage up and back down. Good. 1 more time. Lift the rib cage up. Exhale, bring it back down. And then we'll just pick ourselves, come up and switch the legs over towards the other side. So that left leg is in front, right leg comes behind. We'll bring those hands over towards the right hand side. You can stay up on your hands. You can come down to your forearms, whatever feels most comfortable. We're breathing into the rib cage, all different directions. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. If you want more of a twist, walk those forearms over towards the left hand side. If you want to add, take the right leg back. And maybe that right forearm comes in front. But we're thinking of taking the rib cage, that right side of the rib cage, dropping it down towards the ground. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. Expanding all different directions. How does this side feel compared to your other side? What do you notice? Good. 1 more breath in here. And slowly walk those hands back in. Pull that right leg in if it was out. We're going to come onto the left-hand side. Take your right arm. Reach the right arm all the way up overhead. Lift the rib cage up. Reach through the fingertips. And then we're going to drop the left side of the rib cage down. Reach those fingertips back. Inhale, lift up. Maybe you're up on the hand, or maybe you come down to the forearm, but we're pushing so we're not sinking into that left shoulder. And then drop it back down. Inhale, lift and reach. Exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, lift and reach. Exhale, drop it back down. Good. 1 more time. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, bring it back down. And bring yourself, come all the way up. So, a couple of options. You can either take your yoga mat and roll that up. We're going to place whatever you've got behind the shoulder blades across it, right in the middle of those shoulder blades. You could use your towel roll rolled up, or if you have a yoga block or a Pilates ball, we're going to just take that and place it right in between those shoulders. Sometimes the low back wants to arch, so we're thinking of lengthening the tailbone down towards the ground. Bring those hands behind the back of your head. And think of dropping the base of your skull down towards the ground. Careful not to flare and lift up because we want to feel it right in between the shoulder blades. And then gently pull yourself back up. Slowly lower back down. And then bring yourself, come back up. Good, drop it back. Just gently opening up the mid back. If it feels really good to stay open, you can stay and breathe into it. Expand that rib cage out. Gently pull yourself back up. Nice breaths in and out. And you can continue on like this if this is feeling really good, or if you'd like to add on when you're lowering the base of the skull down towards the ground. We don't want to be up on the top of the head like this. You lower that down, gently bend over towards the right hand side. So think of taking your right elbow towards your right hip, and then gently bring left elbow, left hip, lifting the right elbow up overhead. Good. Drop it down, right elbow, right hip, left hand side, left elbow, left hip. He's gently going side to side. Rib cage, mid back expanding so that we can get that diaphragm lengthening down. So you'll see throughout this challenge, we keep building upon one from the next, addressing all the connections into the pelvic floor. And the first part is feeling that lengthening piece. And it does take time, so don't get frustrated. Good. We're going to go one more time each side. Bring it back through towards center. Just gently rolling off of whatever you've got behind you. Make your way back to that comfortable seated position. Prop up on block, pillow, ball, whatever you've got. We're going to come right back to that twist. So take a nice breath in. Open up cactus arms, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Gently twist over towards the right hand side. Take a breath. Exhale, twist a little more, pulling that right side of the rib cage back. Inhale, lift those arms up. Exhale, open cactus, twist to the left hand side. Take a breath. What do you feel? What do you notice is different now from when we first started class? And if you notice that your rib cage is extra sticky, this is a great one to keep coming back to get some more mobility in that area. Bring those hands back down to your thighs. Maybe if you need that feedback, placing at the bottom of the rib cage, take a breath. What's different with the breath from when we first started? Gentle breath, expanding the rib cage out all different directions like a balloon. Let's take a nice big cleansing breath in. Sweep those arms, lift all the way up overhead. Exhale, bring those hands down towards heart center. Thanking your body for your practice today. Keep up the good work, and I cannot wait to see you in the next class.